What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caela, and today we are going to learn my favorite signs is Valentine's Day. So take both of your hands and with your middle finger go in the middle and draw a heart. So Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. Second one is girlfriend. So draw with your dominant hand, your thumb down to your chin, girlfriend. Girlfriend. And then for boyfriend is, it looks like a bill of a hat, boyfriend. Boyfriend. If you want to say wife, it's kind of like girlfriend. You go like this, but you go hand in hand, so your wife. And then for your husband, it's kind of the same as boyfriend. Boyfriend. Or, sorry, husband. Husband. And for Valentine's Day, what do you guys do? You usually go on a date, so make two D's. Date. 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 And I don't really know what else you do on Valentine's Day. I don't know. Sorry. Okay, well, I hope you loved this. Oh, love. Sorry, love. It's a whole thing. So there's multiple different ways you can say love, and American Sign Language is friendship love. I love you. Love you. Like, I love you, sweetheart. I really love you. And love you. Mwah. Love you. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.